Right guys, so today we're going to be trading another high probability trade. This is on the London stock market, the FTSE market. So again, we'll be looking for this trade to complete very quickly, hopefully inside 20 minutes. So we're just going to look to see if we're going to get into a buy or a sell. We can make money in either direction in the market. So we're just going to get poised and ready just now to see if we get an opportunity to get into a trade, or maybe two trades could be possible. Okay, so now we're going to look to see where the market goes. Okay, so we're starting to push down, so potentially going to be looking for a buy here. We can get down to about the 74.42 levels. So that's just the average price of the London stock market, the FTSE 100 companies in that market, and this is simply the average price, and we can trade on that average price. It's a lot simpler than selecting individual stocks. All right, let's just see if we can push down a little bit further here and get into a trade. Okay, so we're into our first trade here, which is a buy, and we're looking for the market to move back up so we can come out of the position. Now this trade has a 94% success rate, so we're fairly relaxed in the position. Let me just put in a limit. This limit will take me automatically out of the market if this level is hit. I do like to normally take myself out manually, but just as a safeguard, I'm going to put that level in there. So if we push down a little bit further, we'll get into another trade if we don't push up. So let's just watch on and see what happens. Okay, so we're about 4 minutes into the trade, and I'm looking to get into a second position. So that means we're going to take another trade right here. Just a second, if we push a little bit lower, that's us into our second position. So we've bought the market again. Now we're looking for the market to move higher. Again, we want this trade to be completed in about roughly 20 minutes. So let's just see how we get on. Again, fairly relaxed with the trade because it does have a 94% success rate. So we'll go on that basis, and we should see target fairly shortly. Okay, so we're about 15 minutes into the trade, and I'm looking just to close that first position round about the entry price, just about here. Just close that out just now. So we're out of the first trade with no profit, just a tiny loss, $80. Now we're just looking for this market to push up a little bit higher. We're looking to try and get 2% out of this trade. Okay, that's enough there. So we've closed that trade all inside the 20-minute window. In fact, it took just about 16 minutes for those two trades. So let's just go over and have a look what we made on the account, and then we'll see how the clients got on who are already trading within the Whale Trading Blueprint. So if we look at our trade history here, the account history, we can see we took a trade at 12.10 and a trade at 12.14. That relates to actually 10.12 in the UK AM and 10.14 in the UK. So you can also see when we came out of these trades, we came out at 12.25, so 10.25. So just slightly under 16 minutes. We took a small loss there. I wanted to try and close that break even, and it just moved, but that's fine. A $90 loss, no worries at all. And we took $2,061. So just slightly under 2% on this trade. And yesterday's trade we took 1.8%. So really high probability trades. But it's not always about us and our own trading. Let's see how our clients that are already trading within the Whale Trading Program got on with this phenomenal trade. Okay, so Tony getting just a little under 3% there. Tim, 4%. George, bagging 1%, but he was really happy in the way he managed his risk through the trade, which is all important. John just getting slightly under 3%, Conrad a little over 1%, and Brandon 1.5%. So some phenomenal results from the guys already trading within the program. If you're interested to get involved and trade with us within the whale trading program, do get in touch. We do have limited spaces available right now, and you can also get on a call with us to ask us questions about the training.